Hi there, this is Pamela Caughey, and I have very exciting news about my expressive abstract painting retreat in the peaceful countryside of southern Portugal in March 2026. You'll stay in a traditional 2.5-acre Portuguese estate filled with botanical gardens, terraces, a swimming pool, lots of common areas so that you can both nourish your creative soul but also relax, unwind, and become refreshed as you get to know other abstract artists from around the world and make lifelong friends. Each day will focus on expressive mark making, mix colors in new and fun ways, and even make your own unusual mark making tools so that you can create unique, one-of-a-kind, expressive paintings that are filled with emotion and feelings and your inner spirit. Enjoy lots of demonstrations, hands-on studio time, and one-on-one mentoring as we discuss your work together. As you build a strong foundation in creating expressive abstract paintings, I'll give you lots of prompts and feedback as you work toward a cohesive body of work during this retreat. I'll help you grow more confident in your process and creative decisions. This retreat will provide daily gourmet meals prepared on-site with plenty of space to focus on your art. You can even paint outdoors among trees and flowers, or take quiet time to reflect on your progress. By the end of the week, you will have created a collection of abstract pieces rooted in both your surroundings and your own creative journey. In addition to painting in the studio and soaking up the beautiful sun on the estate, we'll also visit the historic town of Lagos and spend time sailing along the Algarve coast, where cliffs, sea caves, and beautiful plants and flowers will provide inspiration you can take back to the studio. There will be plenty of time to sketch, gather reference images, and work on color palettes and textures that will inform your expressive paintings. There are limited spots in this fun retreat. They tend to fill up fast, so please click the link below, get all the details you need, and join me in sunny Portugal in March of 2026. I can't wait to meet you there. Bye for now.